Hello everyone, welcome to InkyBay Products Customizer's tutorial video. So today I'm going to show you the purpose of this clear design or clear all design button. The purpose of this button is to clear all the designs that has been added to your product. So first let me add any text or any designs on this hoodie. Now let's add any clippers or designs on it. So here you can see that I have added many designs on this hoodie, and now I don't like this design on my hoodie. So I want to change all of these designs, or I want to clear all of these designs all at once. So we know that we can clear the designs by clicking here, but if I want to clear all the designs all at once, then I can do that with the help of this button. If I click on this button and click clear now, I can see that all of the designs are gone all at once. So this is the purpose of this button. I hope this video helps you. Thank you.